Hello everyone, this is Mona Lisa once again welcoming you to Karigari Hat Self Video episode number 3. First and foremost, as usual, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your continued love and support. Thank you for keeping faith in Karigari Hat and for believing in us. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, and those of you who are watching this video, please do subscribe to Karigari Hat's YouTube channel and do press the bell notification icon so that whenever there is a self video uploaded on the YouTube channel, on Karigari Hat's YouTube channel, you are notified about it and you do not miss on any offers or anything good that is being posted or uploaded on my YouTube channel. And if you don't do it, I'm sure that you are going to miss something good. And also please do like and share my video with as many people as possible. Keep spreading the love. All right. Today not much of talking. I will go ahead and show you the saris now. As mentioned, this episode is a mega sale episode on everyday wear saris. I've already posted this on my Facebook page and I've also posted on WhatsApp as well, WhatsApp groups, and to my customers that this one is going to be a mega sale episode. That is, you are getting everyday wear saris that we usually wear to work or we wear to our friends' place, relatives' place, just here and there. Okay, so you are getting a mega discount on all these saris today. All right, so stay tuned. I will just begin showing my saris right now. I will start with sari number 1. So today I am not going into any kind of numbering from the very beginning itself, because in my last 2 episodes I've started numbering, but then in the middle I just get lost in the saris and all and I lose count. So I'm not mentioning any numbers, but there will be total 25 saris that I will be showing today in this episode. So you just take a screenshot of the sari that you want to purchase and send it to my WhatsApp number, which is 9123775200. All my numbers, my contact numbers, my WhatsApp number, my Facebook page link, everything will be mentioned in the description of this video. So please do take a look at the description to get my numbers, and please take a screenshot and send it to me via WhatsApp so that there's no misunderstanding of the sari that you're looking for. And these numbers and all, I get jumbled up with them. Okay, I'm very bad at numbers, so I get jumbled up with them. So please do take a screenshot and WhatsApp me the same. So let's begin with our sari number 1. The saris that I will be showing today, they are really at an unbelievable price, but nevertheless, I'm compromising on the quality. This is actually a stock clearance sale. All right. So that is the reason, the primary reason why I'm able to give this price for these saris. Okay. So the quality is no way compromised. Quality remains the same, but you are getting these saris at a incredible low price. So to begin with, our sari number 1. Okay. Sari number 1. This is the pallu with alternative tassels in mustard and aqua blue, turquoise blue you can say, which is in the border. The border is completely mustard yellow. You have stripes over here and then this solid part and again stripes. Tassels, as I have already mentioned. The body all over goes like this. Okay. And this border is also on the lower side of the sari. So on either side of the sari, just as you see here in the pallu, on either side of the sari, you see this border, the turquoise color border on either side of the sari, and the body is mustard yellow color. Okay, a very beautiful combination, I must say. This is a pure khadi sari, khadi cotton sari, and the beauty lies not only in the color but also in the comfort of the sari, the elegant look of the sari. Okay, this is a very comfortable wear. You can wear it in scorching heat in our hot and humid climate. This is a perfect fit. Okay, you can wear it to work, you can wear it throughout the day without any irritation. Okay, the sari will not irritate you in any way. It is a very soothing sari, a very cool color, and a very soothing material. It's pure khadi cotton, so it's very comfortable, very soft, very comfortable. Okay, those who have already purchased khadi cotton from Karigori Hat already know that the quality of the saris, the khadi cotton saris, are very soft quality. Okay, they are very comfortable to wear. So please take a screenshot, and if you would like to book this, I will tell you the price of this sari is 1500, but in the mega sale offer you are getting a flat 15% off, 15% off on the price of the sari, which is 1500 minus 225. Okay, 225 is a 15% of 1500, so you are getting this sari at a price of 1275 only, flat 15% off, and this is a single piece. Please do not request me to get more pieces of this sari once this one is sold. Okay, so please do take a screenshot of this sari and send it to me via WhatsApp if you are eager to book this one. A very lovely piece. You can wear it to work and wear it throughout the day and yet stay very comfortable. Okay, so this was our first sari, sari number 1. Coming to sari number 2. See, I'm mentioning sari number 1 and 2 as long as I can. As long as I can remember the count, I will keep mentioning. But don't go by sari numbers, I'm telling you. Just go by the screenshots, okay? Just take a screenshot. Like many of you have already done that. Okay, that sari does have a BP, okay? I have not showed it to you, but it does have a BP. Now look at this one, a very smart black color sari. This is also in khadi cotton. Very soft and very comfortable, and look at the smartness of the sari. See, this is the pallu. This is the pallu. A very smart piece, a very smart piece. Just wear it to work or wear it anywhere. This will give you a very smart look. See, these are stripes here, and this one is a plain narrow bar. Okay, and on the other side there is a narrow bar once again. Okay, now this is how the pallu portion of the sari goes. This is the pleats portion or the kuchi portion. We call it kuchi in Bengali. So the pleats portion is going to be like this. Alternated bars in grey and black. Okay, and the rest of the sari is again in black. Okay, I will show you one more interesting thing about this sari, that is the border. The bottom portion of the sari. This is the lower border of the sari. See, this is again in stripes. And then there is a narrow bar below the striped bar. Okay, so this is the pleats portion and the bottom portion of the pleats. Okay, so this border is running all through. Okay, see, it's still the very end of the sari. Alright, So this was the sari, our sari number 2, a very smart piece as you have already understood now. And this is once again priced at 1500, and you are getting a flat 15% off, 15% off, and you are getting the sari at 1275 rupees only. This is a very pocket friendly and incredibly low price for these saris that I'm showing you. Okay, once you purchase it and drape it, you will get to understand the quality of these saris, and you will understand that this price compared to the market price is a very, very, very reasonable price. Actually, this is why I have called this episode a mega sale episode. Okay, because this is indeed a mega sale. So there was our sari number 2. Now coming to sari number 3. This is a very soft piece, very soft piece. I will show you the texture before I open it. Look at the texture. See, everything, it's not possible to catch in the camera, especially the feel of the sari. It's not possible to catch in the camera, but I am giving you a detailed description about the feel of the saris so that you get to understand the texture, the quality, the softness, the fall of the material. Okay, I'm trying to give as much details as possible. In case I'm missing on any details and you would like to know more about that sari, all right, so please do send a message via WhatsApp. Please do call me. Please do give me your suggestions, like what more details would you like to know about the sari. Okay, I hope I am showing it in details. I'm showing it the way you would like to see as much as possible, to show you in a virtual mode. So in case you have suggestions, in case you would like to know more about any sari, you can just WhatsApp me. So this is once again a khadi cotton sari, and this is really soft material, really soft material. Okay, it's just like if you wear it in summers and in scorching heat, you will just not feel the heat. You know, this is just not going to absorb the heat. This is so soft, so comfortable. It's just going to keep the heat out of you. See, this is the pallu. Now look at the sari. This is the pallu. This is how the pallu portion looks, with beautiful pom-poms at the bottom, at the end of the pallu. Okay, I'll give you a close look. See, this is how the border runs. This is how the pallu runs. Okay. See. All right. This is very soft. I'm telling you this thing again and again because anyone who will purchase this sari will be able to justify what I'm saying right now. This is how the sari would look once you drape it. Okay, this has a BP, but you can use a hot pink BP with this. That's my suggestion. This is the BP of the sari. You can just cut it and keep it aside, and you can use a hot pink that you see in the border of the sari here. You can use that as a blouse piece. That's my personal suggestion. Or anything else if you would like to try, mix and match. That's up to you. Okay, so I will show you the entire sari now. This is how it goes. The bottom portion will be like this. Okay. A very soft sari. Believe me, this, if you wear this in summer, you will you're really going to love it. And for once, you are definitely going to think about me. See, for once you will think that yes, this sari which Karigari Hat has given me, it's really like whatever Mona Lisa has said, it's true in each and every word, and It's so comfortable, so soft, and you will say that I'm loving it so much. Definitely, you're going to remember me once if you wear this in the, I mean, in the summer seasons even. Okay, so this was our sari number 3. Once again priced at 1500, and you are getting a flat 15%, 15% discount, and the price is coming to 1275. Now one thing I would like to mention is that shipping will be charged extra. Okay, because shipping is not included in this price. It is not possible to include the shipping in this price. Okay, because this is already a very low price in which I'm giving you those sarees. So shipping will be extra, and the shipping amount, what the shipping charges will be. Please do send me your SMS. Please do send me your SMS me your location. Okay, WhatsApp or SMS me your location, which location you would like the sari to be delivered, whether it's in Kolkata, outside Kolkata, whatever location it is. Please do mention the location so that I can give you the estimate of shipping charges. Okay, right now I will not be able to mention in that way, because even if it's a different state, depending on your location, I will have to check with my courier partners what the rate will be, and then I will let you know that rate. But it's nothing much. The people who have already purchased from me from my previous episodes, that is episode 1 and 2, and have paid the shipping charges, they already know that it isn't too much. It's just the normal courier charges. One sari will usually come within 500 grams, and if you purchase 2 saris, it will be within 1 kg. Okay, so that won't be too much. It's quite reasonable. Okay, now our sari number 4. I still remember the number. I don't know how long will I remember. Numbers always confuse me. See, this is a very pretty sari. Very pretty sari. I feel like wearing it myself. A very pretty sari. I don't know what color the camera is showing you, but in Bengali we call it kochi kola pata rong. এটা একটা কোচি কলা পাতা রঙের শাড়ি। ক্যামেরাতে হয়তো কিছু ডিফারেন্ট লাগছে। I'll stand up. It's a mix of yellow and green. Okay, and look at the border on either side. Look at this border. Look at this border. So you see it's the same border on either side, and it's really lovely. Look at the temples. The temples over here. And the checks. It's giving a very pretty look. Believe me, the color is very attractive. This is how the pallu goes. These are all khadi cotton sarees that I'm showing you. All the previous 4 sarees, no, how many did I show you? See, again I'm lost. 3 sarees I have showed you. This is number 4, I believe. Whatever sarees I have showed you so far, they are all in khadi cotton, pure khadi cotton. Okay, and the materials are all very soft, very comfortable. Okay, so this is the pallu, the lovely pom-poms. Okay, and this is how the body goes. This border will be on either side of the saree. This is a very pretty saree, very pretty body color. How much it is able to show, I'm not sure, but this is a lovely mix of yellow and green, bright yellow and bright green. It's coming a bit dull in the camera, I believe, but it's not at all dull. It's very bright, and anyone who would like to purchase this and would like to send me a picture of this, I can send a picture of this as well. Okay, so maybe in a still picture you will be able to understand the color better, because here, see here, no, I don't think it's showing the exact color. So anybody who is interested in purchasing this saree, who would be interested in purchasing this saree, you can request me for a photograph of this sari. Okay, I can send you a photograph of this sari, a still picture of this sari, so that in a still picture the color, I think it will be able to catch more, I mean more appropriately. Okay, believe me, this is a very pretty color, very pretty color. Okay, and the bottom portion also, as I have already told you, that either side of the sari is like this. All right, so this I believe was sari number 4 or whatever. Please do take a screenshot. This is a pure khadi cotton sari, very soft, very comfortable. Believe me, all the saris that I'll be showing you today, the material material is very comfortable. There is no compromise on the material. Only because this is a stock clearance sale, I'm able to give you the saris at this price. Okay, these were not at this price at all. Okay, and this kind of material, this softness, this purity, you will not get at this price anywhere. Okay, so this one is 1500 and you're getting a flat 15% off, 15% off, and the price comes to 1275. Shipping is additional. Now this is a Chanderi cotton silk. Although this is a Chanderi, this is very lightweight. All the saris that I have showed you so far are lightweight. See, this is also very pretty. Pure vegetable dye. Look at the pallu. And there is a zari border. The zari border runs throughout the sari. There are zari borders in the pallu as well. Here is one and here is another. And there are thinner ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, striped. See, I'll go close so that you can see the stripes. I hope I'm clear. Okay, and the zari border on either side, this side and this side. Okay, so this is how the sari is. Okay, all over the sari would be like this, and the zari border will be there both on the top and at the bottom. On both the sides you will get the zari border. Okay, so the entire sari is like this. This is very soothing one for summer. Very easy to keep it on throughout the day. And this is the blouse piece. Okay, you can wear something different, or you can make a blouse of that blouse piece which is attached with the sari. Depends on your choice and taste. So this one, very lightweight Chanderi cotton silk, priced at 1500 minus 15% discount, and the price comes to 1275, shipping charges extra. Now our next sari. Once again, khadi cotton. These saris, I tell you, just you put it on throughout the day, and these saris, you will feel so comfortable in them. You will get to understand that when you drape one. Lovely checks. A very smart sari once again. A very smart sari. See, this will be the border. This is one side. and this is the other side. And this is the pallu. This is going to hang low, but since I have to show you, I'm holding it high. You see, lovely stripes, very smart stripes. These are ideal sarees that you can wear to work, teachers, or anyone who would like to wear sarees to work. This is just a perfect piece. Very smart. Obviously, a smart saree doesn't mean that you have to wear it to office only or to your work only. You can of course wear a smart saree just about anywhere. Okay, I love smart sarees and I wear them just anywhere. So you too can also do the same. So this blue border here, checks on the body, and this is the bottom portion. Okay, so the entire body is like this, nothing different. No separate pleats or anything. The whole body goes like this. Okay. The whole body is just like this. Just pair it with a nice green blouse or blue blouse or something in a combination of green and blue, and this is just going to look awesome. Awesome. Once again, this saree pure khadi cotton and priced at 1500, and you are getting a flat 15% discount, 15% discount, which is bringing down the price to 1275, and shipping charges will be extra. Moving on to our next saree. This is a cotton saree. Again, it has some zari work done. A very comfortable piece. This also has a differently printed blouse piece. If you look at the border, very nice combination, gray and blue. Now this is once again turquoise blue. Look at the beautiful print. It's very soothing to the eye. You know, these prints, these sarees are not only comfortable to wear, but they are very soothing to the eye as well. This is the pallu portion, and the end, towards the end of the pallu. The BP is in this print. Okay, I will show you. First, take a look at the saree. So if you drape it, it's a very soothing color, white and aqua combined with grey, and the zaris, the subtle zaris. See, there's nothing loud. It's very subtle. Look at these zaris. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. Zari here once again, stripes. This will give a lovely look, believe me. You can pair it with a grey blouse as well, or you can pair it with the blouse piece. It is attached with the sari, which is this one. Okay. You can use a simple grey blouse also. Some grey cut blouse maybe. It will look very good. This will look very good. The entire sari is like this. Okay. The border on either side. This is the bottom portion of the sari. Right. The entire sari goes like this. It's block printed. Okay. The print is hand block printed. Very, very nice print. Beautiful print. A soothing one, a very soothing one for summers. See, our country mainly has hot, humid climate. In Bengal, the humidity is a great deal. So these saris are going to be really comfortable, whether it's Bengal or any part of India, because even if it is very hot outside, these saris are going to keep you cool. Really. I mean it. And if you are getting these saris from me, those who have purchased the linen jamdanis from me, whatever I have said about the material, about the quality, everybody who has purchased those saris, please, you can leave a comment on my video. Excuse me. Please leave a comment on my video, either on my episode 1 or my episode 3. Please do comment on the quality of the sari that you have received. Okay, because believe me, everybody who have purchased those linen jamdanis from me, everyone has specifically mentioned me separately, sent me WhatsApp about the quality of the sari. It's so good. And when I say it's so good, it's definitely so good. Okay, I mean it. So if you purchase those saris, whoever will purchase those saris will understand that whatever I'm saying at this moment, whatever description I'm giving about a particular sari at this moment, each and every word is true. Okay, so again, very soft, very comfortable cotton sari, hand block printed, priced at 1500, and you are getting a discount of 15%, 15%, and you are now getting the sari at 1275. Shipping will be extra. Now, this one is a cotton silk material, handloom cotton silk material. Once again, a very comfortable material, very lightweight, and the handloom sari, as is, will look very elegant and very smart. Look at this. This is bottle green color, okay? Olive green color. Bottle. Very beautiful color. Very smart color, very beautiful color, looks elegant. See, look at the lovely button. Look at this border. These are the tassels. Okay. And again, this is the border on the other side. Okay. See, the border is same on either side. It's a broad border. Okay. And here begins the pallu. This is towards the end of the pallu. Okay. And this is a lovely olive green color. Shravla color, bolte paro. Maybe it's appearing little brown or something in the video, I don't know, or black, but yes, see, here you can see the color, and this combination or this alternate colors along with the olive green body, it's giving a very elegant look to the sari. A very elegant look. See. This is golden mustard yellow. Okay. This is the border, and the whole sari goes like this. Okay, the bottom portion is also same. It's same. Okay, this is cotton silk material, but very comfortable. Okay, this is pure handloom, and this is the BP. Okay, this is the blouse piece. The tassels from the front. Very good looking sari, very elegant, very smart sari. Okay, and just wear it once, wear these saris once, you will fall in love with handloom. Those who wear handloom already, will agree with me, but those who are still awaiting to wear handloom saris, those who have still not draped handloom saris, please, I would request that at least one sari, one handloom sari, you certainly try it out. Okay, saris like this, when you drape it, it looks so smart, so elegant. It gives a different look altogether. It changes your look. It's just awesome, I tell you. Believe me, it's not because that I'm selling those saris. I'm speaking in favor of those saris. I am in love with handloom saris since a long, long time, even much before I started Karigori Hut. Okay, so handloom saris are my love. Okay, I love handloom saris, and these are all pure love. Believe me, these are all pure love. Just drape it once. 1500 price at 1500, and you're getting a flat 15% discount. 1275, shipping will be extra. The price is 1275, shipping will be extra. Got stuck with my jewelry. All right. Okay. Now moving on to our next. See, this is once again the same soft material that I showed you in blue. Okay. So the texture is very soft, very soft. All the saris are soft. I'm not saying that this particular sari is only soft. All the saris are very soft. Some of them have got starch. Okay, so once you wash off the starch, after first wash, when you wash off the starch, it's going to become this, what we call this sort of like very soft sort of material. Only because they have starch, it might appear that when you feel it, it might appear that no, it's not that soft or something, but it's not that. Once you wash off the starch, it's going to become like this. And some saris do not have starch on them, so from the very beginning, they are of that kind only. So this is one of them. One such sari which does not have starch. You can starch it, not a problem, but you can even wear it without starch. So this one would go well with my blouse. I have a red blouse on today. See how lovely. How lovely. Look at the fishes weaved here. See, I'll give you a close look. Just take some time to look at the saris. I'm giving you time to look at the saris. I can flip it in a few seconds, but I don't want to do that. This is a pallu. I want that you see each and every sari in detail. Feel the essence of the sari. Get to understand the sari, because I'm confident about the material of the sari. I don't need to flip it in few seconds. I'm very confident about the product that I sell, each and every product that I sell. So these are very good quality. The fishes are going like this on the body. This is the pallu, as I've already showed you. I'm showing you once again the fishes here. See, there's a black, there's a red, and then there's again a black. They are vertically weaved like this. this is how it is. All over the body you have these fishes. See, this is going through the middle of the sari, okay? This is the top portion, which is here, okay? And this is the bottom portion. And the fishes are in between. Alright. The fishes are in between. Like this. See, it's all over the sari. Okay. And this is the other side. It's throughout. Okay, I hope I have been able to show you properly. Okay. This is the pallu and this is the BP. This is not the pallu, okay? This is the BP. The pallu is this. Just a second. The pallu is this, okay? And the BP is this. The BP is this. Okay, you can very well make the blouse out of this blouse piece, or else you can wear something in solid like I have put on. Alright, lovely pom-poms alternated in red and white. It's a very pretty sari. This is grey color and grey, black and red. Lovely combination. Lovely combination, very smart, very soft. See, you can understand the softness of the sari. It's very soft. Okay, very soft, very comfortable. Same price, which is 1500, and if you are purchasing this sari from this mega sale offer, you will get it at a discount of 15%, and the price will come down to 1275. Okay, and there'll be shipping charges extra for this wherever I'm shipping it to, whether it's within Kolkata, outside Kolkata, within West Bengal, or if it is outside West Bengal to any state of India. Okay, the shipping charges will be extra. Please to mention your location when you are booking any sari, so that I'm able to give you the shipping charges, the courier charges. Okay, and it will vary. Like if you take one sari, it's going to be something. If you take two saris, it's going to be something. It will depend on the weight. We all know that courier charges as per weight. So, see, so beautiful, so graceful. This is maroon, okay, not pure red. Pure red is one which I'm wearing. This is green color, somewhat close to parrot, but not pure parrot green. Okay. See, I cannot describe the exact shade of this color, but so somewhere near to parrot green. This is not pure parrot green, but this is making a lovely combination with this maroon border. Okay, this green is making a lovely combination with this maroon border. These temples, see, I'll give you a close look at the temples. This is adding to the grace of the sari. See, so elegant. This one, very elegant. See, all the saris that I'm showing you, they're very smart, very elegant. Look at the pallu. It's in maroon, okay? It's in maroon. And then you have these golden stripes and the tassels, of course. See, this sari is also 1500. After discount of 15%, 15%, the price will come to 1275. Believe me, this is an unbelievable price for this. This is an unbelievable price for this sari. It's really lovely, very graceful, very smart. See, look at this. I hope I can make you understand how it would look if you drape it. See, it's very elegant, very elegant. Okay, the rest of the sari is just like this. The maroon with the temple on either side. The bottom. Okay, so that's it about the sari, priced at 1500, and now you're getting it at a discount of 15%, and the price will be 1275. Shipping charges will be extra. Moving on to our next khadi cotton once again. Okay, that was handloom cotton silk. Okay, the green color which I just now showed you, green and maroon, handloom cotton silk, very good quality, very good quality, very comfortable material. You purchase it, wear it, I assure you there will be no complaints. See, this is blue. Look at the border, blue, purple, temples. Body is gray. Okay. This is one side and this is the other side. And the pallu, this gray is the body. Okay. Pallu has this pink, yellow, pink. Okay. Pink, yellow, pink, and gray at the bottom. Okay. And lovely pom-poms. Once again. Khadi cotton sari. The body is grey. This is the border with temples on the upper portion. This is the border with temples in the lower portion. Okay, hope I'm clear. The body goes like this. The entire body goes like this. And this pink is the pink with the border is the BP. Okay, this is the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece. So this is the pallu. This is the PP. Okay, one side border, the other side border. Okay, so that's the blouse piece, and the body is very smart gray, very smart gray. Okay, gray is in, gray color is in. Okay, a very smart, very comfortable to wear sari. Once again, priced at 1500, but in this mega sale episode, you are getting this sari at a discount of 15%, and the sari you will get it at a price of 1275, shipping charges extra. Okay. The next one in this segment, this is also a pure cotton sari. Okay. Block prints done. And tassels at the end. Okay. This is in purple color. This is the border. Okay, and this is the pallu. The other side border is also same like this. And this is the pallu. A very beautiful purple color sari. Okay. See, this is the body. This is one border. This is other side border. Once again, you drape it. It's going to be like this. Pretty sari. These white prints on the sari is giving the sari a very elegant look. See, this goes like this. Near the pleats portion. See, again, there is another one. So it's like two triangles. One is here. See? And another one is here. Okay? And this is the blouse piece. The sari ends here, and this is the blouse piece. This is the bini. Okay? So this sari priced at 1500. But now for this mega sale episode, you will get this sari at a flat 15% discount, 15% discount, and the price of the sari will be 1275. Shipping charges extra. This is once again a handloom sari, pure hand weaved, pure handloom sari. And this also has got a very beautiful color. See, this is a lovely blue. It's not royal blue, but see what this camera is catching the appropriate color, I think. It's able to reflect the appropriate color. Okay, so this is the border. The border is same on either side. There is a zari. Okay, here and here too. Look at this. See, this is the pallu. Lovely pom-poms towards the end. Lovely pallu. See, there are bars alternated. Blue, green, and there's purple, yellow, and then there's a green box, and then again yellow, purple, green, and this is the sari body color. Beautiful combination. Very soft sari. This is handloom cotton silk. Very soft, pure hand weaved, pure handloom sari. Okay. The entire sari goes like this. The border is same as I've already showed you. Okay. The entire sari goes like this. And this is the blouse piece, green color. A lovely contrast it's going to make with the sari. Okay, so you can very well make a blouse out of this, and I'm sure this is going to give a very elegant look. There goes another hand loop sari priced at 1500. For this mega sale episode, you are getting a discount of 15%, 15%, and the sari is now priced at 1275. Now, another one in khadi cotton. Look at this. This is a very pretty baby pink color. The body is baby pink. This is one side border, and this side, however, we do not have any border as such. And this is how the pallu. The pallu is very beautiful. The speciality of the sari is the pallu. Look at these. Look at the weaves. Look at the weaves. I'm giving you a close-up of the pallu because this is the speciality of the sari. And these are the tassels at the end. Okay? See? This is the pallu. Here you have white, pink, darker pink, then again light baby pink, dark pink, light pink, like this. It's a very pretty color, very pretty sari in baby pink. Rest of the sari goes like this. There's a broad border at the bottom portion of the sari. The entire sari is like this. But the speciality of the sari is in its pallu. Okay, the entire sari goes like this. And one more attraction in this sari is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Just make the blouse out of this. When you have a gorgeous pallu like this, the body is usually kept simple, okay? And the blouse can very well be done out of this, which will give the sari, the entire sari, a very beautiful look, a very beautiful look. The last in our segment of 1500, 1500 priced saris, okay? The baby pink one. Here also you get a discount of 15%, 15%, and the sari you are getting at 1275. Okay, I would not say that is the last. This one is the last, the one which I am wearing. I will show this one to you as well. This is a pure khadi cotton sari. This is the pallu. Beautiful pom-poms towards the end in red and green, as the body has red and green on white. Okay, this is how the sari is, and this is how the pallu is. Okay, these are green stripes and these are red stripes. The dots are in red and green. Okay, so this one also is priced at 1500, and for today's mega sale episode you are getting it at a price of 1275. Now there are few more saris that I would like to show you. Okay, now they are on 20% discount. Okay, those saris are on 20% discount. As I have mentioned that there will be saris with 20% discount, but till now I have whatever saris I have showed you have 15% discount. The price of those saris are all 1500, and there is a discount of 15%, 15%, and you are getting them at a price of 1275. Okay, but I have few more saris as well which are on 20% discount. Okay, but today it's already 1 hour now, and I will not extend this video anymore because a video of more than 1 hour length becomes difficult for people to watch and to choose the saris. So what I will do is I will make another episode, okay, and I will release it in a couple of days or so, which will have those saris which are on 20% discount, okay. Because I have about 10 or 12 of them, I don't know exactly the count, but I will make a separate episode on that, and I will really release it in another couple of days or so, okay. Because this video, if I go on to show you another 10 saris, 10-12 saris, then it's going to be of another 40 minutes, that's for sure, because I go into the detail of each and every sari. So those 20% discounts are discounted saris will be shown in another episode, okay. Because I will close this episode here, otherwise this is going to become very lengthy. All right, so please do watch this episode 4, which will have the saris which are on 20% discount. They are also everyday wear saris, and they are also khadi cotton such saris, handloom silk cotton, handloom cotton silk sort of material, but I will not include them in this video. It's going to be very lengthy otherwise, okay. So please do watch episode number 4 for those saris, okay. And the saris that I have, all the saris that I have showed you in this episode, they are on 15% discount. The price of the saris are 1500, 1500, and with 15% discount you are getting them at 1275, and shipping charges will be extra wherever I'm shipping it to, whether in Kolkata, outside Kolkata, within West Bengal, outside West Bengal, to any state of this country. Shipping charges will be extra. Please do write to me your location. Please do WhatsApp me your location, and I will be able to tell you the shipping charges. Okay, so whatever sari you want to book, please do take a screenshot and WhatsApp me at my number, that is 9123775200. My WhatsApp number, my contact numbers, my Facebook page link, everything will be provided in the description. My shop location, everything will be provided in the description. Please do take a look, and please do get in touch with me with a screenshot, okay. Many of you who have purchased from my previous episodes have taken screenshot and have sent it to me via WhatsApp. I really thank you, and I appreciate that you have listened to whatever I have told you in my episode. Thank you, a big thank you for cooperating and for helping me understand which sari you want to buy. All right, so please do the same for this, and those who are new, like whoever would like to purchase for the first time from me, okay, so please do take a screenshot of the sari and WhatsApp me. All right, and I rest the booking process and everything, as you all know, it is prepaid, so you have to pay it in my bank or my Google Pay and phone pay, like that. So and the sari will be sent via courier to you. So that's it for today. Please do watch my episode 4 for saris with a discount of 20%. I'm very sorry I have not been able to include them in this video because I have taken too long to show the saris on 15% discount. Please do bear with me. Please do watch episode number 4 for 20% discounted saris. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for being with me. Stay tuned for more videos from time to time. And please do subscribe to my channel. Please do like and share my video. Thank you once again, everyone. Bye-bye.